and 21 days free spoken English course. And today is gonna be another very fantastic video on speak English. So speak English class 3. So I have already uploaded 2 more videos on the topic like gotta, and another one is wanna. So if you are new here, you can go there and first of all watch the video. So these are really great and obviously help you to boost up your speak English. Okay, and don't forget to practice more and more. So in this video we are gonna learn, and I'm gonna teach you one of the greatest phrase, and that is like going to. So going to, but we say going to, but the native speakers say like gonna. And in my video I often use the phrase gonna. So what does it mean? Gonna means going to plus be1. This is the structure, and it means in Bengali করতে যাচ্ছি বা যাচ্ছ, করতে যাচ্ছি, যাচ্ছ বা যাচ্ছে. Okay, so kind of meaning it will provide, or it actually produce. Okay, so let's practice. Number 1, আমি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলা শিখতে যাচ্ছি. সো এটাকে আমরা ইংরেজিতে কিভাবে বলবো যে আমি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলা শিখতে যাচ্ছি? So we can say I'm gonna learn speaking English. I'm gonna learn speaking English. Very important, very necessary to use those kinds of phrases in your spoken English. Okay, so if you do this every single day and you keep some time just for practicing speaking, so your fluency level will escalate. So let's practice. আমি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলা শিখতে যাচ্ছি. I'm gonna learn speaking English. I'm gonna learn speaking English. Okay. The next one is আমি পরে তোমাকে ফোন করব. আমি পরে তোমাকে ফোন করব. In English, how do we say this? Like, I'm gonna call you later. 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 Okay, so আমি পরে তোমাকে ফোন করব. I'm gonna call you later. Get it? Again, another one is like আমরা আগামীকাল কাচ্চি খেতে যাচ্ছি. Wow, it sounds really delicious and yummy, right? So আমরা আগামীকাল কাচ্চি খেতে যাচ্ছি. So এটাকে আমরা ইংরেজিতে কিভাবে বলতে পারি? We are gonna eat কাচ্চি tomorrow. We are gonna eat kachi tomorrow. So obviously you have to make some sentences with a structure and practice again and again. You will able to boost up your speaking level. Trust me or not, this is the truth. So another reminder, I have already uploaded 2 videos on the same style, like number 1 is gonna and another one is wanna. So you can also watch these videos. Obviously, this is really mandatory for you. So, okay. So, and next one is তুমিও কি আমাদের সাথে যাচ্ছ? Are you gonna with us? Are you gonna with us? Are you gonna with us? So এটাকে যদি আমরা নেগেটিভ করি, aren't you gonna with us? So like this, aren't you gonna with us? So obviously replace the subject, replace the verb, and make your own sentence, and then practice more and more. So please don't just keep away after just making some sentences in your writing or on your paper. This is not the perfect way to practice speaking English. You are not tailoring your writing skills. So what should you do? You have to practice and loud out. Okay, so loud out. Speak out very fluently. Be confident. Okay, so তুমিও কি আমাদের সাথে যাচ্ছ? Are you gonna with us? Are you gonna with us? তুমি কি আমাদের সাথে যাচ্ছ না? তো এটাকে আমরা কি বলতে? Aren't you gonna with us? So like, aren't you gonna with us? Aren't you gonna with us? Aren't you gonna with us? So this is how you can practice. You can make sentences from one sentence structure to another. Number 1 is make positive sentence and then transform into negative one, and then obviously transform it into interrogative one. So this is how you can practice every single day. So, and one day, and after 1 week or 2 weeks, you can see your result, your output. Okay, so this is great video. So right now I'm gonna give you a quiz. So if you get the whole video, and obviously drop a comment, what's gonna be the English of the sentence সে এখন পড়তে চায় না সে এখন পড়তে চায় না so how can you write it or how can you tell it just leave a comment in the comment box so again this is 21 days free spoken English course speaking English class 3 so